So today we have a Citadel PAT 12 gauge. This is a pump action 12 gauge. Has a what looks to be an 18-inch barrel. Ghost ring sights there, as you can see. 3-inch chamber, imported by Legacy Sports. They have the whole Citadel line, pointer line for all your shotgun needs. Pretty good action. Looks like a somewhat exaggerated safety. That ghost ring looks like it's not just fixed, you can kind of move it up and down that Picatinny rail. Overall, great condition. Doesn't look like it's really been fired much at all. Again, this is the Citadel PAT 12 gauge pump action shotgun, 3-inch chamber, good self-defense. Also has that Picatinny rail on the end of the foregrip there, so if you wanted to do a light accessory, that would be the spot. Go check it out on the website. It'll be up there for about a week. You can do an offer, buy it outright, or wait till it hits Gunbroker and snag it in an auction on there.